Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Soul. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display, compressor, intercooled turbo and cruise control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.